everybody, welcome back. In this following video, I'll show you guys how can you resize images in PC and laptop windows. To resize images in PC and laptop windows, you could follow these simple steps. So after which, what you want to do is just simply open up the File Explorer. And I'm gonna go to the download section, and this is my particular file. Now there's a couple of different ways to do it. So first of all, what you could do is double click on it, and it's gonna open up in this default section. So right on this page, what you could do is click on the three dot icon from the top right, and then you could see this section is Resize Image, right? You could go ahead and make sure you could see the current size of the particular image. There you could go and make changes accordingly, what size you want, and then you could just go ahead and type in that, and with that being, you could also change the format and click on save. Once you've done it, so it's going to be saved. That is one way of doing it. Now similarly, the other way of doing it so is that you want to go ahead and make sure to just tap on it, and here you could see the file size. So right then, you want to right click on the mouse of the particular file and go ahead and click on show more options. After which, you want to go ahead and click on send to, and you want to go to Mail Recipient. Then you could see the picture size, right? So here what you want to do is click the arrow icon and make sure to change it according to your preferences. I'm going to make it large and click on attach. If you have a mail recipient, it's going to pop up and open up in the mail. So since I do not have that, and you just have to go ahead and make sure to select it all by tapping on Ctrl+A and click on Ctrl+C, after which you could paste it in the file where you want it. So that is the way you could resize image in PC and laptop windows. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.